In this video, I'll show you how to fix the keyboard not working issue in GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition on PC. To fix this problem, go to Search menu and tap File Explorer, click on Open it, and navigate to the GTA San Andreas Definitive Edition folder. Open this game face, binaries, Win64. Right click on this launcher.exe and select Show More Options. Send it to Desktop Create Shortcut. Now launch through this shortcut. Right click Run as administrator and select Yes. Now I can able to skip this story by pressing enter and my keyboards are working fine. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.